Django media underscore URL and media underscore root. I'm trying to upload an image via the Django admin and then view that image either in a page on the front end or just via URL. Note this is all on my local machine. My settings are as follows. I have set the upload underscore to parameter to images and the file has been correctly uploaded to the directory. However, when I try to access the image at the following URL, I get a 404 error. Do I need to set up specific URL patterns for uploaded media? Any advice appreciated. Thanks.
Update for Django is greater than or equal to 1.7. For Django 2.1 documentation, serving files uploaded by a user during development. You no longer need if settings.debug as Django will handle ensuring this is only used in debug mode. Original answer for Django is lower than or equal to 1.6. Try putting this into your urls.py. With this you can serve the static media from Django when debug equals true, when you run on local computer, but you can let your web server configuration serve static media when you go to production and debug equals false.
Please read the official Django doc carefully and you will find the most fit answer. The best and easiest way to solve this is like below.
For Django 1.9, you need to add the following code as per the documentation. For more info, you can refer here, this URL.
Here what I did in Django 2.0. Set first media underscore root and media underscore URL in setting.py. Then enable the media context underscore processors and template underscore context underscore processors by adding your media context processor is enabled. Now every request context will contain a variable media underscore URL. Now you can access this in your template underscore name.html.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.